Hello guys, Molweni Linjani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please guys do subscribe, do comment and do like. So guys, you know ukuthi Gogo skhotheni has been trending lately, especially after it broadcast yakhe noMondli. But this time guys, it's not about yena noMondli. It's all about the fact that Gogo skhotheni says that she has found herself in the arms of a sotho guy. She says my hubby is a sotho man, first time dating a sotho man, and all I can say is happy. Lenizwa guys, all I can say is happy. You know that guys, there have been rumors. Okay, not actually rumors. I remember after she did that podcast noMondli, in the comment section one person went on to asking her a question and she went on to saying yeah, she is engaged, soon to be married. So honestly guys, I don't know if that comment she made, she just made it just in JNJ, or she made it because she wanted to reveal that Tiana she has found an hero in an arms of a sotho man. So guys, anyway, love is a beautiful thing. If your relationship doesn't work or a marriage doesn't mean that you don't have to move on in your life. You have to be happy though. So yeah, you do what makes you happy. But anyway guys, please do comment below and please do